What's the meaning of coeval? Coeval. Coeval.
Coeval. Coeval. The word coeval refers to things or people that are of the same age, or to events or periods of time that occur simultaneously. It can also be used to describe things that have the same duration or that originate from the same time period. In general, coeval suggests a close association or relationship between two or more things due to their shared timeframe or age. Overall, coeval implies a sense of synchronicity or parallelism between different entities that exist or occur at the same time.